Behavior is often treated as the problem. Something to stop, something to correct, something to control. But behavior is rarely the root issue. It is communication. Children communicate through behavior when words are not enough, when emotions are high, when capacity is low, when regulation has dropped. Behavior speaks when language cannot. This does not mean behavior should be ignored. It means behavior should be interpreted. Calm parenting changes the question. Not, how do I stop this? But, what is this telling me? When behavior is labeled as misbehavior, responses often escalate. Punishment increases, lectures lengthen, pressure builds. But when behavior is understood as communication, responses slow down. Curiosity replaces judgment, and connection becomes possible. Children communicate many things through behavior. That something feels hard, that something feels unfair, that something feels overwhelming, or that support is needed. This communication is not strategic. It is not calculated. It is reactive, driven by the nervous system, not intention. When parents respond to behavior alone, they often miss what the behavior is carrying. This is why the same behaviors can repeat. The message has not been received. Calm parenting listens beneath the behavior. It notices patterns, timing, context, pressure. It recognizes that behavior often increases when capacity decreases, when children are tired, hungry, overstimulated, or emotionally loaded. Responding with punishment in these moments adds pressure. Responding with understanding reduces it. This does not mean all behavior is acceptable. Boundaries still matter. Limits are still held. But understanding changes how boundaries are delivered. It separates the need from the behavior. A child can be corrected without being dismissed, guided without being shamed, supported without losing structure. When children feel their communication is received, behavior often softens, not instantly, but consistently, because the nervous system no longer needs to shout. Calm parenting teaches children that they can be understood without acting out. And it teaches parents that behavior is information, not a verdict. This perspective changes the relationship. Less conflict, less escalation, more clarity, more connection. Behavior understood this way becomes a guide, not something to fear, not something to fight, but something to listen to. This moment is enough.